Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Uba Alexander L. Heck ubalong menteri uba pajak katanat kekoj kekia jong ke sorkar jelah ke arpu kendai terik ubana jemang arajar arpuway. Ula play pajba ya ke Corona Care Center ke badan St. George Higher Secondary School Nong Minsong ya ke bala penyaj hi de ke sorkar harengkat ke jingit reilang hapdeng katanat kekoj kekia jong ke sorkar jelah lembat ki bor penyaj jong ke senong Nong Minsong ken kebru ya ki bor penyaj jong ke ni ke school. Hagani ke center ke badan Sanpo Jingtia on pensa badan ajing sumar tangi ki senrang ki balai bed ya ke jingpang COVID-19 ki basyong basa ha ki weipat ki senong amtang ha ke senong Nong Minsong.
For anything, then we'll be giving them like just symptomatic treatment like paracetamol, cough syrup, vitamins, all those will be given, and monitoring will be done around the clock. And in case the oxygen level in the body falls, that is SpO2 falls, then only we may have to start oxygen. We have oxygen concentrators also kept here, so oxygen will be given to these patients also. So in case we need to refer them, if we cannot maintain the saturation, then we'll have to arrange a referral to other higher centers.
So this will be 50 beds. That is also only for the male, and this is not only meant for Nong Minsong. Anybody who are there from anywhere from Putarongkra area, maybe from Mopat or from Putarba or anywhere from this area only, if they are infected with positive, if they don't have a space at home for the male members, it can be accommodated here only.